A lively forest with various animal characters gathered for a race. Introduce the confident and speedy hare and the slow but determined tortoise. The race kicks off with the hare sprinting ahead, leaving the tortoise behind. The hare, confident in his speed, decides to take a nap mid-race. The tortoise continues to move forward steadily, passing the sleeping hare. The tortoise reaches the finish line while the hare is still napping. The narrator or characters convey the moral lesson of the story. Slow and steady wins the race.